Guys, it's Pokemon Collector here. In this video I have a Mega Rayquaza collection box to open for you. So I'm gonna try to okay, come on. I'm trying to get the card out without bending it. Then here's the promo Rayquaza holo card, 120 HP, 130 damage. So I'm gonna put that back there. Here's the Mega Rayquaza figure you get. I think yep, it stands. Okay, so now I'm gonna get all the. Whoops! Forgot to do that. Here's the code card. Don't need that. Here I'm gonna do oldest to newest. Okay, so I'm gonna start with Phantom Forces booster pack. Well, bon appetit. Okay, code card. Okay, I'm not gonna do the card trick. Okay, we have Venonat, Murkrow, Helioptile, Spearow, Yama, a reverse Totodile, regular rare Leavanny, a Lampert, a special energy, and a Kingler. Okay, so that was next up we have a Plasma Primal Clash booster pack. Got to tear those cards open. The code card, which I don't care about. Okay, I'm just gonna do that. Try to make this go fast, guys. A Trapinch, a Seal, Torchic, Marley, Circuit, a reverse Bunnelby, a regular rare Breloom, a Marchop, a Electric, then a weakness policy. And we have a Deoxys Roaring Skies booster pack. Come on. Open it. Ooh. It just sounds nice. Okay. Here's the code card. Here we have a Binacle, don't know how to say that, Meowth, a Cascoon, a NK, a Voltorb, a Tranquil, reverse Tranquil, ooh, and a Hollow Salamence, then a Electrode, a Rayquaza Spirit Link, then a Wiener. Don't know how to say that, but oh well. Okay, last pack. Well, that was only stuff, huh? Okay, a Shuppet, a Gligar, a Binacle, Meowth. I pulled that card twice. Cascoon, reverse Voltorb, a regular rare Bannet, and a Silicune, a Latio Spirit Link, then a Dragonair. So yeah, guys. Okay, I'm gonna do a recap of what I pulled. Okay, we have the promo Rayquaza Holo card, a Latio Spirit Link, Rayquaza Spirit Link, reverse Holo Voltorb, a regular Bannet, a Holo Salamence, a reverse Holo Tranquil, a regular Kingler, Breloom, a reverse Holo Bumblebee, regular Leavian, then a reverse Holo Totodile. So yeah, guys, that was me unboxing my Mega Rayquaza collection box. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys later. Thank you. Gotta catch them all.